Still have no idea what to write.
Write about anything. Write about your family. Write about the talking whale.
What whale?
The one that's trapped in your imagination and desperate to get out.
Johnny Depp is a name that needs no introduction. He is one of the most versatile actors in Hollywood, known for his unique style and ability to bring complex characters to life on the big screen. But before he became a household name, Depp had a humble beginning. Born in Owensboro, Kentucky in 1963, Depp grew up in a family of modest means. His parents divorced when he was young, and he moved around frequently with his mother and siblings.
Hey, look, I don't want to be in the middle of this, all right? That's between you and Diego.
I bring you in. Hang on.
Yeah.
Happy New Year, honey. I bring you in. This is how you pay me back.
Hey,
huh?
look, George, it's nothing personal. I love you. This is business.
Despite the challenges he faced, Depp found solace in music and began playing guitar at a young age. In his late teens, Depp dropped out of high school and moved to Los Angeles to pursue a career in music.
You don't call me cocksucker.
Hey. Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Cocksucker.
Go ahead. Take it back.
Tell me.
Take it back, Donnie.
I'm getting my own room.
He played in several bands, but it wasn't until he met actor Nicolas Cage that he was introduced to the world of acting. Cage encouraged Depp to audition for a role in the film Nightmare on Elm Street, which he landed. From there, Depp's career took off.
What are you doing?
Don't move or speak. When the other comes, I will hold him.
The other.
Silence. He comes now.
He starred in several successful films, including Edward Scissorhands, Pirates of the Caribbean, and Sweeney Todd. He has been nominated for 3 Academy Awards and has won numerous other awards for his work. Depp's success has also translated into financial success. He has an estimated net worth of $150 million, making him one of the highest-paid actors in Hollywood.
What happened to your face? No, I won't hurt you. But at the very least, let me give you a good astringent, and this will help to prevent infection.
He has used his wealth to support various charitable causes, including the Children's Hospice and Palliative Care Coalition. Despite his success, Depp has faced personal challenges in recent years. He has been involved in a highly publicized legal battle with his ex-wife Amber Heard, which has brought his personal life into the spotlight.
Dracula requires presence. It's all in the eyes and the voice and the head.
That's right. That's right. You seem a little agitated. You want to go outside and get some air?
Bullshit! I'm ready now. Roll the camera.
Despite these challenges, Depp remains a beloved figure in Hollywood and continues to work on new projects. He is known for his dedication to his craft and his ability to bring depth and complexity to his characters.
A big party, huh, Gilbert?
Yep.
When is that party coming?
6 days.
In summary, Johnny Depp's early life was marked by challenges, but he found success in music and later in acting. He has become one of the most successful and highest-paid actors in Hollywood, with an estimated net worth of $150 million. Despite personal challenges, he remains a beloved figure in the industry and continues to work on new projects.
She's safe, just like I promised. She's all set to marry Norrington, just like she promised. And you get to die for her, just like you promised. So we're all men of our word, really. Except for Elizabeth, who is in fact a woman. Shut up! You're next!
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.